Wanna know how you can tag yourself on your Facebook post? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can tag yourself to a Facebook post. Now, if you open up the Facebook app and head into what's on your mind, you'll be able to create a new post. And here on Tag People, you won't be able to tag yourself. You can see I'll search in my username here, but I can't find it. Now you can see my username and profile right here. Now first, what you want to do is head into your profile, and on your profile what you need to do is either head into the post or head into the photos or your uploads. I'll just simply head into one of my photos, and here tap on the tag icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then simply tap on the picture. You can see the option tap to tag. You have to tap on the picture and you'll be able to tag. Now what you want to do is simply search in for your own username, and at some moment your own username will appear here. Simply tap on it and you can see I've tagged myself on the picture. So this way you can tag yourself on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.